Hey, a little introduction to my seat restoration videos for the GT500. Understand that there's some cleaning involved. You can't just go ahead and apply the coloration before cleaning the seats. So go ahead and clean the seats I think I used simple green and some basic water, and really got into crevices and everything like that and just clean that out. So you got to, do that first. There's a little bit of preparation involved. And the masking really has to be very careful. Just take your time to do that. But boy, it turned out really good. So again, just a little introduction there as far as the seats and preparation. Always prepare. What's the guy say? If you fail to prepare, you're preparing to fail. There you go. All right, bye. One thing I will tell you through this process, and I'm happy with the Seat Doctor's, crimson red. Like I said, it is darker than the original. They say they're going to match it exactly. It's not quite exactly, but as long as it's applied evenly, that's fine. I've done now both front seats and the bottom of the back seat. And this is a 16 ounce. And you can see I've only used that much. So even if I do the door panels, which I probably will, and the top of the back seats, maybe it'll come down to here. So this is more than enough. I guess kind of went overboard there, but I have enough. So if we have to ever do it again, there you go. So just for your knowledge as to how much you might be able to need to get for your, now of course these seats are two colored that I'm doing. So it's just the inlays. If you were actually doing the whole seat, obviously it'd probably be a lot more, considerable more, but keep that in mind, all right?